Hi friends, we're back in Mark's workshop where he's going to show us how he's using power tools to cut wood and get it ready for the parts we need to make our nesting boxes. Take it away, Mark.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rip this board, which just means we're going to cut it just like that to get rid of the live edge, and then we'll have our board ready. So we've got safety gear here. Before we do that, we're going to use a table saw. You have to be very careful when you do that. And off we go. So let me get suited up here. So I have a dust mask. And I have ear protectors. And some goggles so I don't get sawdust in my eyes. So now we're ready to cut these to length. And you'll notice that this side is pretty rough. And this one is also, because it's right off the sawmill. Next thing we're going to do is plane this one side down so that all the boards are the same thickness.
Great. What I noticed, Mark, when you were using the table saw is that you always kept your hands far away from that blade because it moves along and it's very, very sharp, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
So that's something to know. If you're around power tools, you'll always be using it with an adult and always be keeping your hands away from any blades. All right, on to the next step.